Scribble Pen, your portable palette. Imagine having a set of colored pens, but feeling like you need more colors. Enter the revolutionary Scribble Pen. This tiny device is every artist's dream, turning the world around you into an endless palette. Just touch Scribble to an object, and it magically copies its color. It's not magic, it's science. With a special sensor on one end, Scribble reads the color and mixes inks in exact proportions, producing incredibly accurate and bright colors. Beyond art, Scribble's mobile app helps you organize your surroundings by colors. Brushly, redefining toothbrushing. For those who don't enjoy the ritual of brushing teeth, meet Brushly, an automated toothbrush that completes the task in just 10 seconds. Covering the entire mouth, Brushly's medical-grade silicone bristles move in different directions, ensuring effective yet gentle cleaning. No need to worry about toothpaste application. Brushly releases it automatically. Vibration and sound waves further contribute to better oral hygiene, making brushing a breeze. Third thumb, enhancing human dexterity. Most of us are content with 10 fingers, but the students at London's Royal College of Art had a different idea. They created the third thumb, a 3D printed prosthesis controlled by a remote. This extra finger enhances grip strength, allowing for various applications, from carrying more dishes to creating unique sounds on musical instruments. The third thumb is part of a major neurobiological research project. Bosma Sentry, your smart doorbell. Enhance the safety and comfort of your home with Bosma Sentry, a smart doorbell with a built-in camera. See, visit your doorstep in real time on your smartphone and communicate with them using the speaker. With motion sensors and facial recognition, Bosma Sentry provides informative notifications, distinguishing between parcels and visitors. HPRT, the portable printer on the go. For document enthusiasts, HPRT brings you a portable printer that fits in any standard bag. Supporting wireless communication with smartphones or printing from a connected computer, HPRT allows you to print anywhere, anytime. Compact and convenient, it's a must-have for those who work with documents. &Me, your personal barista. Indulge in professionally made coffee at home with &Me. This coffee machine, designed by American experts, prepares delicious coffee drinks with minimal effort. Just fill it with water, ground coffee, and milk, and press a button. The compact size of &Me is an added advantage, delivering the quality of a coffee shop at a fraction of the cost. COVI, your digital companion. Designed to combat digital addiction, COVI Desk Lamp is your voice assistant. Instead of reaching for your phone, ask COVI questions or use it as an alarm clock, converter, or music player. With independent control of light temperature and brightness, COVI aims to reduce distractions and enhance well-being.